this is me, um, almost getting Apocalypse Bird, right? So that's Big Bird closing in on on the Black Forest door, and Punishment Bird and Judgment Bird were already in. um, and then I finally got a Apocalypse Bird. I finally got to Apocalypse Bird, which took me an inconvenient amount of time, to say the least. Spending my time working hard, making my employees waste their asses off, misgendering one of my employees that's supposed to be Netzach, supposed to be a boy, and I keep calling him her because for some damn reason I'm so used to Netzach 2 being a girl in my canon, even though it's based on Netzach and supposed to be a boy. After all that suffering, this is what I get, right? Wrong image. Let me find it. Do I have the image on my computer? Did I not take a screenshot? Let's see here. Let's see. Where is it? Where is it at? Here it is. Oh. How do I fix this? I don't know what I'm doing. That's fine. So I know this image is really small, but I honestly don't give a shit. So as you can see, this is what I got. After everything I did, this is what I get. Anyways, in all seriousness, I spent all that work, all that effort, suffering, working, waiting, everything, and then my game froze. My game just had the freeze. And that's lovely. I love when my game freezes at the worst time. Oh, God. I'm not disappointed. I'm not angry. I'm not sad. But I am annoyed that all of that pride and happiness was wasted on absolutely nothing. What the hell? Oh, that is the ugliest figure I've ever. What is that? Oh, cool. Anyways. Yeah. That's really it. Oh, oh my God! Kill yourself! Kill yourself! Go to hell! Go to hell! Oh, never mind. Wrong person. I just barely saw this. All right, man. Sorry. Wrong person. I thought you were somebody else. Steam notification. As I was saying, that's it. That's all I have to say. My disappointment does not exist, as I said, but what does exist is this very cool image. I am screwing everything up. This, Hank Sisters and Hank Jr. This is really awesome, I know, right? Anyways, I'm gonna show some really cool art I did. Let me find it. Shit. some really, really cool art I did. Where is it? I have like 6 things going right now. Hold on. See, where's my... That's not it. Where is it? Here it is. This is my really awesome art that I spent hours on. You know, that's how it is, man. Well, that's it. Go to hell. I generally do not give one shit about your feelings. Ah.